Even complex projects with high-level architecture and highly renowned architects are at significant risk of potentially losing tens of millions in substantial profit due to critical design errors. At HPBS, we consistently show how to effectively preserve high profitability and leading market positions when implementing such a project. Today, I will talk about the Dubininsky Business Center in Moscow, where we helped reduce costs, eliminate errors, and increase the profitability of this property. The developer of this project, HAL's Development, set us a non-trivial task. We needed to reduce the initial investment in engineering solutions and equipment by 10% and lower operating expenses for utilities by 30%. At the same time, the quality had to remain the same or even higher. The property also had to receive a clever certification of no less than platinum level, which is roughly equivalent to LEED Gold. We started by creating a digital energy twin, a virtual copy of the building where we checked all the design solutions. Even at this stage, we found errors in the designer's calculations. Correcting these issues saved tens of millions of dollars and significantly reduced future operational problems. For example, we meticulously optimized engineering solutions and thoroughly tested them. More than 15 combinations of options for the chiller plant. In the end, we chose the option that simultaneously reduced equipment costs, lowered the load on the networks, and increased comfort for tenants. All of this was confirmed through simulation in the digital energy twin. We grouped the design solutions into complexes to check how they work together. For example, ventilation based on sensor readings, CO2 control and heat recovery are not as effective separately as they are together. In combination, they provide greater savings and consume less energy. As a result of the comprehensive simulations, we prepared for the client 3 strategic scenarios. The first is conservative, the second is energy efficient, and the third is innovative. Each of these scenarios differs in terms of risk, level of innovation, capital, costs, significant operational savings, as well as the inherent complexity of implementing certain solutions. As a result, capital expenditures for engineering equipment and network connections were reduced, annual utility costs were significantly decreased, and the entire building proudly received the prestigious Clever certification at the highest platinum level. The primary key tenant subsequently became the prominent X5 retail group. This group is now occupying almost half of the space. The property quickly entered the market and became a flagship in its segment. What did the developer gain? A reduction in construction budget, lower operating expenses, increased capitalization of the property, flagship status on the market, and high occupancy by top tenants. My name is Ilya Zavalev and I am a future engineer at HPBS. We make buildings more profitable, modern, healthy, and environmentally friendly. If you are a developer or investor, come to us for a consultation. We will show you how to make your property better while preserving the financial model. The link to our website and the link to my Telegram channel are provided in the description of this video. Bye bye, see you in the future.